Next comes autopsy. So we all know what an autopsy is. Autopsy is nothing but a post-mortem examination, or it's otherwise called a necropsy. You should know what a biopsy is. Bio meaning you are going to take the sample from a living organism, whereas a necropsy is from a dead organism. So here under autopsy coding, you need to know where the physician is going to do. What is he going to do? So he is going to do both a gross examination and a microscopic examination. See, essentially, what do you think is a work of a pathologist? What he is going to do? So imagine a surgery is being conducted where appendix is being removed, and this appendix goes to the pathologist. What the pathologist does, he is going to examine the appendix as he received as a gross material, right? So gross appearance will be noted, and then the microscopic study will also be given. Same way, what we are going to do here in autopsy is like we have different codes depending upon the organs that are being evaluated, whether brain is studied or not, CNS is studied or not, or whether the subject is a child or not. So all accordingly we have different codes. And the other is for a forensic exam. When do you say it is a forensic exam? Say the person has passed away, but somebody is suspecting that it could be a case of suicide, or it could be a case of assault or a homicide. So at that time they want to check, the thing that have been consumed by the person when he was alive. So that is for a forensic purpose, where the doctor or the pathologist is being called to investigate the cause of death. Usually the cause of unnatural death. Say a person has committed suicide, right? At that time they need to know whether it was a strangulation or it was a suicide, because a forensic appearance is going to differ tremendously, whether because we have different criterion for arriving at a suicide and then for a homicide. So when a physician is being used in investigation such cases, then we can give it as a forensic examination. If the same autopsy is being done for any like marks or stretch marks or strangulation marks, then that becomes a forensic examination. So you all need to know very clearly for what reason is a physician being used for.